So in this video I'm going to show you guys a new mining app called Ruby. So in case of most of you that have missed Pi, this is a new Pi potential mining app. So I'm going to take you guys step by step process on how to get started. So before you get started, before you join, or before you can start mining, you have to go to your Play Store. Go to your Play Store. Go to your Play Store, search for Ruby. You search for Ruby, but I'm going to be leaving the link to the app in the description of this video. So you search for Ruby, you're going to see Ruby here. So more than 1 million downloads, guys. This is a high potential and is listing soon from the news I've been hearing, the hypes. So this is another potential airdrop. Sorry, a potential coin. So when you click on when you press on download, it's going to take you to you're going to install it. Sorry, you're going to install. Then when it's done installing, you're going to tap on open. Then when it opens, you then create an account. Before you can create an account, you have to use a referral code. So I'm also going to leave the link to the app and also my referral code so you can join and also get a bonus. So that said, so I'm going to, when you're done creating your wallet on everything and your prompts, um logging in, you're going to also be taken to a prompt where you are to save down your seed phrase. Please and please save your seed phrase. It's really important, because if you don't save your seed phrase and the QR code that's also going to be given to you, or the barcode that's also going to be given to you, I think you're going to lose access to the to your Ruby. So mining this Ruby now is at 50% mining rate, meaning that for every day you mine, you're mining 1 Ruby. It's at the 50%. Before it used to be like 2 Ruby per day, but now it's now 1. So that's how it is now. So at least you're getting this info on time. So if this is your first time viewing my video or coming to my channel, please do not forget to give me a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification button so that whenever I post new videos you get notified. That being said, let me show you how you start mining. Tap on mining here. Then due to my location and from where I'm from Nigeria, obviously, so I'm going to tap on mining. So yeah, you can choose any location. So they say connection is unavailable. So let's check another country. Let me check if it's from my network. So they say connection unavailable. I guess they're having a maintenance issue. So here you can see, here you can go to your profile, and for you to do your users verification, okay, let me say your users verification, you have to complete at least 30 days. See, complete ownership of information over 30 days. Check, exploit at least 30 Ruby, meaning you have to get like 30 Ruby. What I mean by 30 Ruby is you must have at least 30 Ruby and have mined or install the app, or you've been using this app for at least 30 days. Then if receive invitation from KYC 1.5, that means you'll be given an invitation from Ruby themselves, from whatever version they called it or what. So but right now I'm not fully verified. So, and for you to get your referral link and for you to invite others, all right, you have to go to, sorry, not this. For you to get your invite and your sorry, okay, okay, for for you to get, you can invite your friends here. Just tap on here, very easy. So this is my invite link, this is my referral link, Nems, Nems. So guys, you know what to do. So that's literally just it. Just keep on mining every day, guys. Don't worry, your house is gonna pay. Okay, please don't forget to give me a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification button so that when I post new videos you get notified. All right, that being said, bye for now.